To auto-download all media on WhatsApp while connected on Wi-Fi in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap storage and data. Under media auto download section, tap when connected on Wi-Fi. Put check marks on all the boxes from photos to document. And then tap the OK button to save the change. By choosing the setting, now your phone will automatically download all media, which are photos, videos, audio, and document on WhatsApp while your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.